Today we're going to be working on the Dell 3100. Remove bottom cover. First, we're going to start taking the bottom screws off so we can take the bottom cover off. We're going to take our spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Battery disconnect. Then, disconnect the battery to prevent damage during the rest of the repair. Battery removal. To replace the battery, you will begin by taking these 3 screws out. When you take the battery out on this particular unit, you'll want to lift the bottom first and top second because there's adhesive here. Battery installation. To install the new battery, line up the bottom with the screw holes. There are 2 posts there. It will fit between them. Replace the screws. Battery connect. Now, you will connect the battery to the motherboard. Push the excess cable back into the clip. Reinstall bottom cover. You can now snap the bottom cover on and replace the screws. Verify repair. Now, we will verify the replacement has worked successfully. Plug in the power cable and open the unit. If it turns on, your battery has been successfully installed.